Warning! Whenever you see this lizard, do not touch it at all. Otherwise, there are hundreds of species of lizards on Earth, each with its own characteristics and dangers, such as monitor lizard, which is known as the wild killer. Now, this lizard that we're gonna talk about, although it is not as big as the monitor lizard, but it has horns that are even sharper than a needle, so never think that just because it's small, it doesn't threaten you. Let's go to uncover the crazy facts of this mysterious creature. Horned lizards have been given the scientific name Phrynosoma. They are members of the Phrynosomatidae family in the order Squamata. The literal translation of Phrynosoma is toed body, referring to their wide midsection. There are 21 species of horned lizards in the world. Some of them include the Texas horned lizards, short horned lizards, and mountain horned lizards. These creatures have horn-like scratches all over their bodies, especially around their head. Horned lizards camouflage into the landscape as one of the adaptations to conceal them from predators. They're known to live in a variety of habitats from deserts to dense forests. They require a semi-arid environment to thrive, and the most horned lizards live at least 5 years. All reptiles came from the same ancestors during the Carboniferous period, 300 to 350 million years ago. Hylonomus, the oldest known fossil of a reptile, is believed to be 350 million years old. There are lizards all over the world that have adapted to habitats that are as varied as the thousands of species within this family. Please like this video before we continue. There are 21 species of horned lizards, and while each has its specific features, the one thing that remains common in all of them is the armor of horns. These toad-shaped lizards, as the name suggests, are covered in horn-like scales that make them appear impalatable to predators. The largest of the horns usually rest on their heads, while 2 of them are on their brows, and many protrude from their jawline going up to skull temporal portion. 2 rows of horns or spikes run along the lateral portions of their torso and separate the larger spikes on their dorsal side from their scaly on their belly. The species vary in size, with the snout vent length of the female Texas horned lizards, for instance, measuring about 5 inches, while the male is only around 3 inches long. Female horned lizards are usually larger than males. While what the specific types of lizards eat can vary, most of them usually feed on various types of ants as well as insects. The short-horned lizard, for example, mainly feeds on harvester ants. Apart from that, they also eat beetles and spiders, but they will even feed on small pebbles occasionally. To trap their unsuspecting prey, the Texas horned lizards lie motionless while ants walk across them. Then, they leap out and capture them as soon as the last ant touches the ground. Horned lizards face threats from a lot of predators, including dogs, wolves, hawks, snakes, and roadrunners. However, hungry animals are not the only thing that poses a threat to these lizards. Because ants make up most of their diet, the pesticides that are used on ants also end up harming horned lizards. Other threats include invasive red ants, illegal pet trade activities, climate change, and drought conditions that could impact the lifestyle and habitat ranges of these amazing lizards. For more crazy facts, wait for the next video.